Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you TED Optimus Trading Tournament 2023. Sharpen your stock market skills by competing in the largest trading tournament in town. Now, before we start, let's talk a little bit about prizes. Why? Because no money, no honey. No prizes, no baby. Now, prizes. If we look at this, each trading season, 1000 times 6. What is that 6 all about? It means that there are 6 seasons in this competition. And let's say if you win champion for each season, okay, you will get 1000 ringgit in each season. So the total you can win is 6000 worth of prize. And then 3000 times 2 grand prizes. What does it mean? So there are basically 6 seasons in the entire tournament. 3 seasons is made up of stock, 3 seasons is made up of structured warrant. So for all 3 seasons of stocks combined is 1 grand prize. All 3 seasons of structured warrant combined is another grand prize. So let's say you win both grand prizes and then you get 6000. Okay? And then the third one, first to third season Facebook most liked. Meaning to say, if let's say you not only enjoy trading, but you can also win money through this campaign, whereby you have this Facebook most liked campaign, whereby you just need to share our post out, get as many people to like as possible to like the post that you share, and let's say you get the highest number of likes, you will get 6000 ringgit cash. So let's say for 3 seasons of stock, you win the highest number of likes based on the post you share, you get 1008 ringgit. And then the same process repeat, just that for structured warrant, you get higher cash prizes. And then let's say you win all 3 seasons for this Facebook campaign for structured warrant, you get another 3000, yes. So the total potential maximum prize value for you as a participant is 800 ringgit. 800 ringgit plus any real profits that you make in the cash market. Let's say you really do trading in the cash market.